Hello student, I am Jigyasha Prajapati from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Today we are discussing class 6 Computer Science chapter 1 Computer Languages. All you have to open page number 7 in your computer books. Today we are going to discuss this topic in this chapter: machine language, assembly language, high level language, latest high level languages and language processors. So let's start with introduction. Student, we talk to each other using a language. Language is a way to express feelings and views. A computer also uses a language to understand the instruction given by a user. So a set of instruction given to a computer is called a program. These instructions are written in some specific languages that is only understandable by the computer, called programming language. The development of computer languages has been divided into following categories. First, machine language, also known as first generation; assembly language, also known as second generation; high level language, also known as third generation. Last one is latest high level languages, also known as fourth generation. So let's start with first machine language, which is also known as first generation. It is a low level language which is abbreviated as LLL. All the instruction of machine language are written in a series of zeros and ones that are called binary digits. So what are the binary digits? 0 and 1 are called binary digits. Machine language is machine dependent. It means a program that is written for a particular computer cannot be used for another computer. Next is assembly language, which is also known as second generation. It is also a low level language. Assembly language uses letter codes instead of binary digits. These letter codes are known as mnemonics. A mnemonic is an alphabetical abbreviation. For example, to represent addition, the mnemonic add that is written in the capital letter may be used. Some other mnemonics are subtraction. For subtraction, we have used sub that is written in the capital letters. Multiply, mul is used. Divide, we use div, div. All the mnemonics are written in the capital letters only. Next we have high level language, which is also known as third generation. High level language, which is also known as HLL, are easy to write and test by programmers, as these languages use letters, words and mathematical symbols. These languages are not machine dependent. It means a program written for a particular computer can be run on another computer. Some examples of the high level languages are C language, C++ language and Java, etc. Now we have comparison of high level and low level language. High level language. High level language is easier to write as it uses words, letters and mathematical symbols, whereas low level language is difficult to write as it contains only 0 and 1s. High level language is easier to test and debug, whereas low level language is difficult to test and debug. Language processing speed is slow, whereas in low level language processing speed is usually fast. Next we have latest high level language, which is also known as fourth generation. These languages are very close to human languages as they contain words and letters. They are mainly used for database access, report generators and data manipulation, etc. Data manipulation means we can insert the data, modify data and delete the data. Characteristics of these languages are portable and platform independent. Portable means a program written and executed for a computer can be executed on any computer with any platform, it means operating system. These languages are easy to debug and test as it is directly understandable by the humans. These languages have high speed of execution, they require less time and minimum cost. Next topic we have language processors. They are also known as language translator as they convert the high level language into the machine language or low level language. A translator software is used to convert the high level language codes into the machine language codes. There are three types of language processor. First is assembler. Assembler converts the assembly language into the machine language. Next we have interpreter. It converts the high level language program into the machine language line by line. So, it read whole program line by line. Next we have compiler. It converts the high level program code into machine language in one go. So, why we require the language processor? Because language processor convert the high level language into the machine language, because computer only understand the machine language. So, we require to convert the high level language into the machine language. So, this is all about this chapter. Let us start with the book exercise. Our first exercise is tick the correct one. In this exercise, you have to choose the correct one and put the tick mark over on the option. First question is high level languages are converted through. By which mean the high level languages are converted? Options are modem, no, modem can't convert the high level languages. Next option is translator, we already discussed. Translator convert the high level language into the machine language. So, our correct option is translator and the last option is predator. So, you have to put the tick mark on the translator. Next we have which of the following is not a high level language. The options are C++, C++ is a high level language. Next we have Java, Java is also a high level language and the last option is none of these. So, our correct option is none of these, on the none of these. Next, Dash is known as the father of computer. The options are Charles Babbage, John W. Tukey and John Mack. So, our correct answer is Charles Babbage, because Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. Next question we have, a computer understands only dash language. Which language is understood by the computer directly? We know computer understands machine language directly. So, the options are machine, modern and man-made. So, your answer is machine. So, put the tick mark over the machine. Next we have which of the following is a mnemonic for multiplication in assembly language. The options are multi, mul mul and mult mult. We know for the multiplication we use the abbreviation or mnemonic mul mul. So, correct option is B, mul. Now we have fill in the blanks. You all have to fill in the blank with from these options. First fill up is a dash is a set of instructions given to a computer. Answer is program. Program is a set of instructions given to a computer. Next we have the term software was coined by dash. The term software was introduced by the John W. Tukey. So, you have to write here John W. Tukey. Next we have dash converts high level language program line by line. We discussed language processor convert the high level language into the machine language, but here we have to choose a device or software that convert the high level language program line by line, and we know Interpreter is convert the high level language line by line. So, your answer is interpreter. Next, dash translates the whole program in one go. Which software convert the whole program in one go? That is compiler. Next, dash are the rules used to create statements of a programming language. Syntaxes are the rules that are used to create statements of a programming language. Next we have write T for true and capital F for the false statement. Our first statement is Java is a low level language. No, Java is a high level language, that is why this statement is false. So, you have to write capital F here. Next we have Charles Babbage is known as first programmer. No, Charles Babbage is not the first programmer, he is the father of computer. So, this statement is also false, you have to write capital F here. Next, assembly language use mnemonics. It is true because assembly language use mnemonics in the programming codes. So, you have to write capital T here. Next we have high level languages are easier to write and test. Yes, high level language is easy to write and test because it is very close to human languages. So, it is true, you have to write capital T here. Last we have C++ is a high level language. It is true statement because we know C, C++ and Java is the high level language. So, you have to write capital T here. So, today we have finished the book exercise of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.